For those who love the beauty of nature, Camellia Hill in Jeju Island is one of the most recommended places to go to. This is what we see as soon as we enter Camellia Hill. And of course, welcomed by Stone Grandfather. This is the map of Camellia Hill. Camellia Hill is a 20-hectare floral park. As soon as we entered the park, we were greeted with white, pink, and red azaleas. The most effective way to visit Camellia Hill is to follow the pathway. We start walking through the camellia wood. This is a beautiful flower path welcoming you in Camellia Hill. Here we see the colorful azaleas of the rhododendron group. Then we also appreciated the tulips along the pathway. We continued to look around, and here we see the camellias. You can enjoy the beauty of camellia from over 80 countries here at one place. You can expect to see scenic trails such as this, and see a lot of positive and love-filled messages along the way. They say the Camellia Hill was primarily opened to be a place of healing, a zone where you can get reminded of the many beautiful things in life. And of course, we arrived at the greenhouse, where the area is filled with many amazing flowers of all kinds. And as we were walking back, we can appreciate the cherry blossoms in bloom. Here we have exited the main arboretum, and this is what we see. We again see examples of Jeju stone culture. We see the cherry blossoms, and we see a giant camellia icon. Smile! And don't forget to pass by the coffee shops just around the corner. By the way, there is still so much more to see in Camellia Hill.